So guys, we're doing slime.
No. Hey guys, it's Marita back with another video, and today I have two special guests. I have my nieces,
Hi.
Noemi and
Emma.
So we're gonna be doing
Slime!
Now, before we get onto the video, I do want to let you know what my content's going to be and when I'm going to be uploading. So I'm going to be uploading about 3 times a week. Mondays is going to be Makeup Mondays, where I do anything makeup related, whether it be challenges, tutorials, trying out new products, etc. Fridays is going to be my free choice Fridays. And I'm basically going to be doing anything like fashion or just random challenges, really anything you guys want to see from me or anything I'd like to do. Saturdays is going to be simple DIY Saturdays. So we're going to be doing creative things, and this is my first DIY Saturday. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so unfortunately we did do a first batch and it didn't work out at all. We didn't have enough glue, so it came out like, what are you doing?
Are they talking to you?
So yeah, so it just came out really weird and
It didn't work out.
all right. So the things you're gonna need for the slime, first thing you're gonna need is glue. This is Elmer's glue. You can either use the white one or the clear one. It doesn't really matter. Next thing you're gonna need is a cup of water, so make sure you have a measuring cup or just approximate as best as you can. We have our measuring cup over there already filled with the water. Baking soda, not baking powder, and it can get a bit messy, so be prepared. And then you're gonna want food coloring. Now, it's not necessary, but if you want to make things a little spicy and make your slime colorful, then you can use this, and you can also add glitter. Now, last thing you're gonna want to need is the eye solution. This is eye contact solution. The one I'm using is just sensitive eyes. So I guess you can get any bottle. I have contacts, so I already had it with me. And then you're just gonna mix it all together and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so first thing first, obviously you're gonna need something to hold it in. I kind of cut this all wonky like because the actual thing was too big. And we did try it and it came out all disgusting, like I said. So here you go, Miss Noemi. And we're gonna go ahead and pour the glue. There you go.
For nail. Glue. I'm just gonna put it.
Okay, make sure you don't apply too much. So we're just gonna show them. There you go. So you wanna just coat the bottom of it.
Wow, that is so cool.
All right, that's good. And then I feel like we used maybe half of the bottle, maybe a little bit more than half. So then you can just kind of coat the bottom, and then we're gonna get the water.
I'm gonna get the water, guys.
And we're gonna mix it in with this. You also want some sticks on hand so that you can mix it together. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in. All right, go ahead.
Go.
There you go. All right. All right, now you can set that aside. And if you ladies want to mix this.
I want to mix it.
Okay.
Can I mix it too?
Yes. Here's one stick for you. Oh, one stick for you.
Cute.
And just mix it on up. I can hold it for them to see.
It's gloopy.
Yeah, so it's going to get really gloopy and really cloudy. That's what's
nice.
supposed to happen. So you can see that it's kind of mixing in with the water and it's getting very, very gloopy.
It looks like a leche.
That's milk in English.
Spanish.
All right. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. It's basically gonna look like
Milk.
watery milk is what it's gonna look like. And it's not gonna be gloopy yet, but don't worry. Next step, if you wanna hold this, thank you. We're gonna add a tablespoon of baking soda. This got messy last time, so it'll probably get messy again. It's best to kind of put it over, yeah. All right, there we go. So that is a tablespoon. Go ahead and mix that in. There you go. Mix it in together. And let's just show them what it's looking like. So it looks a lot more milk-like now, but it's still pretty goopy. Let's see here.
It's okay if there's chunks in it. That's what it's supposed to be like.
And
Does
you
it
can
look
also
blue?
you can also add more glue if it's not coming out how you want it. So now we're gonna add the food coloring. And last time we used blue, so we're gonna go ahead and use blue again.
You want to use blue again?
You want to be very careful when you use the food coloring.
You don't want to use blue again?
It can get very messy. What color do you want? Do you want yellow or green?
Green.
Okay.
Can I push it in, please?
Yep.
2 squirts.
Yep. 2 little drops. You gotta be very careful because you
I'm gonna do it.
You can do one, and then Emma can do the other. Okay, that's good. Overdoing it over here. Okay. All right, go ahead and mix it in. I'm gonna let Emma mix it in because it may splash around and I don't want it to get anywhere because my mom will kill me. All right, that's really cool.
That's it, cool, right? It's kind of like the Grinchy color. They look like jelly.
All right. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some contact solution.
Where the satisfying parts
There you go.
actually.
So you can go ahead and just add some.
I don't even know what to use this.
Yeah, just like that. Open it.
Oh.
And you can just add drops in there.
It looks like.
Oh my gosh, it's getting. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at. That's crazy.
But it's so cool.
Look at all this goop.
Gotta keep on mixing it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go
stick to
ahead.
your fingers that much.
Yeah.
Does look like slime.
I'm gonna go ahead and mix it, and we'll be back with the end result.
I'm gonna spread it.
So here's the end product.
Yes! It feels so good, guys. Really good.
This is really therapeutic, actually. It's pretty cool. It almost looks like toothpaste. That is so cool. So what do you think, you guys? Was that fun?
Yeah.
That was really cool. So this is how you do slime.
So slimy.
This is how you make your slime.
Oh my gosh.
Like
I recommend you guys to do this.
Like people like